There are two ways to see your grades in Canvas. We'll go into this 7th grade language arts class so you can see. First, if you go to the assignments tab, you'll see all the assignments that you've had for this unit, and you can see how many points were issued for those assignments and how many points you received on them. There are no grades submitted yet, so you can see you have no points. But if you go to the actual grade tab in more detail, you can see the name of the assignment, you can see when it was due, what the status is, whether you have submitted it or not, what your score was, and then there'll be a category here where you can see any feedback your teacher gave to you, maybe a rubric, and then there will be an option for you to submit a comment back to your teacher about your grade. Now, of course, even though you can see your scores here, all official grades through Tunkhannock Area School District will still be submitted on the student portal. And students or parents can access that portal to see grades. Elementary students in grades K through 2 are given standards-based grades, so their grading will be different through Canvas here as well as through the portal.